What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how not to lose your knife in a survival situation. So if you're in that survival situation and you misplace your knife, you put it down, you walk away, it falls out of your pocket, guess what? You're probably doomed. It doesn't even have to be a survival situation. It could be, you lost your knife and now you're heartbroken. So what I do is simply get one of these pull cords and I put a paracord through it like this, and this just clips onto my belt loop on the side. This. And then whenever you're using it, it's still fully operational. It's always tied onto your knife. All I simply do, I pick these up on Amazon. I'll have a link below. Here it is. This is what it looks like. And like I said, you can use it just like you would regularly do, but it's not going to ever fall off. And you're not going to leave it somewhere on the ground. It's always going to be on you. Even if you forget to clip it back on to your pants, it's still going to be just dangling right here, always on you. I want to thank y'all for watching. If this video helped out, please thumbs up and subscribe. Got many more how-to videos that save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Peace out.